So I've got this piece that I've done with some Colorex inks, watercolour inks. And let me have a look. I don't know if you can see, there's a little bit of shimmer. There we go. You can just see there's a little bit of shimmer in there. This was just an exercise in playing. So I want to see what I can do with it. I'm going to draw into it. I'm going to lift some bits out. I think I'd quite like to make some trees. So I'm going to draw into it with my food pen. Just make some of these trunks. I'm using this pen. You can get a thick or a thin mark, so at the moment I'm using the thin mark. I might come back in and change that in a bit, but at the moment I'm just using it to mark out. I'm taking my marks that I had with the Colorex and just seeing where it takes me, really. And then I shall add to it. So I hope you can see what I'm doing there, just slowly adding some drawing into this. Getting my branches to split. I'm going to lift some colour out, but I'm also going to add some colour into, well, hopefully I'm going to move some colour actually. This one I've got coming on behind. So I'm going to put my pen down for a couple of minutes, and I need to just highlight a few areas. Now I'm going to use a smaller brush. Now this mark making that I'd already done on here, I had done quite some time ago, but because it is a proper watercolour ink, it is still re-wettable and movable. Now I've got dark colours here, so I know I'm going to have to work this a little bit. But I'm wetting it. I'm just going to take my tissue, that is lifting. I'm just going to have to work it a little bit. You see that's lifting up, just take a little work. And I've also got the movement of the actual ink that I was drawing with. That's going to move a little bit as well. So let's lift some of this colour up through here. So I'm actually using this a little bit as my palette as well, lifting some of these colours up. So I've not actually picked up any more colour from a palette or from the actual pots of paint, of ink, but I'm just moving around what is here. That's going to be a nice little move. So we've got to this. So I'm going to come back in with the pen. Use this thicker way of using the pen. Just to kind of negatively draw into what's going on here, and then I'm going to use the very fine nib on my food pen just to draw some texture, some leaves, some foliage coming up through here. Don't want to fill in all that white space, but I do want to, like say, show where one tree sits in front of the other. These ones here are very intertwined, which I find rather exciting. And I didn't have a plan for this. This was just playing to see what I felt was happening. Here I've put some ink down with my pen. I'm just going to drag that away, soften that. It's all very dark. I hope you can see what I'm doing. Very interesting. It's still really dark down here, so I'd quite like to lift a bit more colour out, but I'm not quite sure how it's going to work. I'm just going to scribble a little bit with the ink here, just to give me a shadow side. Now the ink that I'm drawing with is a Quink ink, so once that's dry, that's not going anywhere. Need to have a few more bits of leafage and foliage. Just a bit of doodling. I might put some highlights on here with some white ink, with a bit more of that sparkle in it. As you can see, I'm just doing a bit of scribbling. Trying to leave this sort of lattice work open in the middle. It's quite cute, but I think I just need to lighten a few things up down here, so I'm just going to go and try and get a lighter ink. Bear with me. Okay, so I found some of the white Colorex. Here, and I've got some of the pearl medium, which is the sparkly bit. So let's start off with the white. Don't want to be doing a lot. I'm just kind of going to drag it down over the top of the browns that I've got here. You could lay this up, get quite a bright colour, but for me I just want to lighten things a little bit more than I could with the lifting. It's just been here a bit too long. See how that looks there. And I'm also going to pick up a little bit more of that pearl medium. Because I like it. I'm just alternating between the pearl and the white. Again, just a little definition over here. I think I'm going to leave it. Just a little exercise I quite like. So I've just sat looking at this and I've just decided just to drip some water in and around where these leaves are. I'm not going to add any colour to it. It's just a little bit of loosening up of that ink. Yeah, I'm leaving it there.